At aCommerce, we are end-to-end service provider for brands and retailers. We're supporting them to grow online. So our services cover the full spectrums, everything from the demand generation to the demand fulfillment, and supported by the technologies and also the local infrastructures as well. Especially in e-commerce, consumers always have a higher expectation when it comes to delivery lead time. It used to be acceptable a few years back if you deliver everything from 3 to 5 days, but now consumer wants everything more faster and of course at the cheaper price. And the challenge that we're facing is when you talk about e-commerce world, everything moving so fast, so quickly, so it's completely different with the offline world where everything slowly grows stable, but e-commerce is very volatile. So in order for us to be able to scale quickly, then we need to have a proper system, infrastructure to support for us to be able to scale and deliver a good experience to the end consumer.
As a tech company, we're building some of these products ourselves, but we do engage in a build versus buy evaluation for each of the products. For warehouse management systems, there is a mature market of systems available. For us, it was important to have a battle-tested product, one that could support the particular use cases for e-commerce, for business-consumer e-commerce, and one that could actually scale with the fast order growth that we see in the Southeast Asia region.
In the past, our fulfillment center, we operate very manual way, but after we rolled out Manhattan Scale, it's kind of like we can see two improvement area. Like the first one is the quality improvement throughout the achievement of the verification step that we add to the entire process. The second one is the operation efficiency because we remove a lot of manual works.
When we select implementing Manhattan, we want to achieve 3 things. The first one is the scalabilities. Second part is in terms of overall capabilities and shorten the lead times. And the third one is of course in terms of cost. So when we look at in terms of the ROI across the period, we're looking at between 3 to 5 years. But since we start implementing with just 6 months ago, we started to see the big improvement in terms of the productivities and then the accuracies of the order we ship out. So that somehow it's in a good path.
After the initial engagement with Manhattan Associates, we were able to quickly understand the core capabilities of the Scale warehouse management system and how it could be designed to support the particular e-commerce use cases. The fact that we could have the conversations face-to-face with a team based in Southeast Asia was really important to us. Replacing one system with another is never easy, but Manhattan introduced us to a tried and trusted project framework that enables to navigate all of the steps necessary for a successful implementation.
We want to be logistic and facility agnostic, meaning that once order coming in, the system itself will be able to manage out of across multiple facilities. If our client happen to have a same stocks and SKU across multiple facility, the system would be able to address all that, able to tell us where we should pick those items, fulfill the items and shipping out. In the fast-moving environment, and things changes all the times, and for us we are the pioneer in the industry to what we do.